In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to install our UVC lighting system. Please refer to the manual for complete unit-specific instructions. 1. Ensure the cooling unit is not plugged into the wall. If possible, the UVC light ballast should be installed after the cooling unit has been fully installed and mounted. Do not plug in the UVC light ballast until it has been fully installed. Never look directly into the UVC light. Permanent damage to your vision may result. 2. Remove the 4 screws securing the removable panel to the unit. Retain this panel for future use in case the UV is removed. 3. Place the UVC light ballast on a table or flat surface with the white socket facing up. 4. To avoid damage to the bulb, do not touch the glass bulb with bare hands. Use a gloved hand, paper towel, or lint-free cloth to remove the UVC bulb from its packaging. 5. Place the base of the bulb into the socket, pressing until you hear it click. 6. Before attaching the UVC ballast into your cooling system, orient the ballast so the bulb is towards the bottom of the ballast. 7. Align the UVC light assembly with the opening on the cooling unit and secure it using the screws removed in Step 2. Do not use screws other than those provided with the system. Longer screws can damage internal components. 8. Plug the power cord of the UVC ballast into the UV power receptacle on the cooling unit. 9. Plug the cooling unit's power cable back in and power on the unit. That's it. Remember, the UVC bulb should be serviced annually to ensure its effectiveness. To learn more about our UVC light technology or how to replace your UVC bulb, please follow the links below in the video description.